all nurses should resume duty with effect, and in any case, not later than Friday, the 15th of February, 2019 at 8 a.m.
The strike is ongoing. I have read 13 employers. Strike is on. Nothing has changed.
Kiama kia manathi kwihita guthie na mbere na mugomo wakio ona thengia wa mukana wa kufutwo wira ni mutongoria wa bururi.
We want the truth to be known. This secrecy and hiding, I don't know, pathologist is not here, it doesn't make sense.
Githagathago kiria kigumeire gikuo gia Caroline Mwatha guthie na mbere na gwakiriria thutha wa ikundi tiganite kururungana nyumba-ini ya kuiga miri ya City. Ndugamano kwiyumiria Kirinyaga thutha wa murugamiriri wa atumia kaunti-ini yo guthararia mucemanio rio kuhariririo ni gikundi kia uthii wa na mbere wa atumia.
Jetagwo Moses Kanyira.
Na Kenya kunyitanira na mabururi maria mangi thiini wa thi hari gukungwira itemi riria rinyititwo ni mutambo wa radio hari ukinyaniria.